Hello my dear champions, how are you all? Welcome to day 31 of our series 99% in 99 days in CBSE Mathematics. Okay, I am Ankit Sir asking you to join us on our platform Diksha Vedanta Foundation YouTube channel, where we are coming every day with a session on science and mathematics, okay, to help you achieve a goal of a very good marks. Whatever your goal is, 95%, 100%, whatever you can do best for yourself, that is our goal, right bacha? And we are here to assist you, to help you, to enable you to achieve your dream marks in your boards examination, right, for grade 10 CBSE, right? I hope this is clear. Okay, so today's session is a very important chapter we're gonna discuss today, which is a circles part 1. In this session we'll talk about tangents of a circle. Okay, what kind of questions we can expect. Again, a very basic session. I'm not taking all the difficult questions in this, so simple problems I've taken. Total of 7 questions I've taken. I'll solve all the 7 questions with you, with explaining you the concepts, the figures, how to assess, how to draw them, how to understand them. Everything will be discussed, bacha. So I hope this is clear for you, because what happens, no, students are able to solve questions when the figure is given. What if figure is missing, sir? Okay, then they find the difficulty. So I've taken a couple of questions where the figure is not given. We are supposed to draw it, and even where the figure is given, I'll explain you how to draw the figures. I hope this is clear. So with this, let's start the session. Please take your pen and paper out. Don't just watch the session, make sure that you have solving the questions as well. One more thing, you have to join the WhatsApp channel, okay, if you have not joined yet, to get the sessions PDF delivered to you. Okay, don't worry about your privacy. We'll not be getting your information. We'll just be delivering our data, our sessions PDF in the channel. You can download directly from there. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Moving on to the chapter plan of the chapter circles, we have 2 major topics. Please check from the NCERT. Tangents of a circle, okay, where we talk about the perpendicular with the radius, okay, the angle between the tangent and the radius. And we also talk about from external point, how does tangents look like. Means if I have a circle and from external point of a circle, how can you draw the tangent to the circle, right? So both of the concepts are there. We'll talk about that in detail. So today we'll talk about only the first concept, which is tangents of a circle. Moving on. Now again in geometry, so this chapter comes later, okay, but I've taken it together because triangles we finished, no, so let's finish geometry completely over here only, then we'll go to the trigonometry section. Clear hai? No problem. So geometry, if you take bacha, 15 marks again, entire unit. Expect 7 marks from circles, okay, overall. And again 2 topics you can see here. Questions can be asked in the category of MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker, 4 marker. When I say 4 marker, I don't mean only on tangents of a circle. 4 marker means a case study can come from the circle chapter, where application will be there from tangents of a circle, and this combined, okay, means both the topics can be used to answer a questions on a case study question. I always give more focus to case study because they are free, easy questions. If you know the little bit of concept, now if you are able to solve some questions, solve some case studies on this chapter, I will certainly solve a case study for circles with all of you. So please wait for the, I think PYQ session will solve the case study, so please check it out. And 4 marker you can expect in that, both based upon both the concepts. Again 2 marker, 3 marker is there for this particular topic, tangents of a circle. From the external point, if you draw a tangent, then on that concept even 5 marker question can be asked. 4 marker, MCQ, 3 marker, all can be asked. Okay, so question is asked from this chapter in this category for the topic wise. Now looking at to tangent to a circle, what's the meaning of this? So we'll draw a chord and tangent. Let's see how they differ. So if you check here, bacha, so if you have a circle drawn like this, I'll try to draw as much as possible. Okay, let's see this works, right, sir? Circle with the center, let's say C, center is C, sir. Then we know that the line joining the center and the circumference, anything if you take like that, is called as what? Is called as radius, sir. So let's call this to be radius R. And at any point where on the circumference, if you are drawing a line which has only one point of contact, let's say I take it over here like this. So a line which has only one point of contact with the circle is called tangent of the circle at that particular point. This is very important. What about this point? I can draw another tangent over here, sir. Please check. It doesn't look perfect. Okay, so forgive me, I'll try to make it better. So yes, when I say only one point, I mean this only, right? There should be only one point contact, bacha, not like this. Okay, not like this. There should be only one point of contact, sir. Only one point of contact, sir, which is at this point. Okay, this So you can see over here, only one point of contact, not two, not three, not more than one at all. Whenever a line has only one point of contact with the circle circumference, we call that line to be what? Tangent, sir. Simple. Okay, what about this? This is a chord, sir. This is a chord, sir. Great. Means where we have 2 point of contacts. Clear? Chali. Let's look at the circles. So let me write it for you. These two are your tangents. Okay, this also is what, bacha? Is a tangent. And what about this, sir? This is a chord. Clear hai? This is clear, right? So I can write this name to be x, let's say this to be p, and this to be what, bacha? xp, and let's say this to be y. Same way I can do it over here, a, let's say q, and b. What about this? Let's call it to be cd. The chord is CD, the tangents are A, Q, B and X, P, Y. Single point of contact. Kya ye clear hai? Is it clear? Okay, sir. Now we'll see a theorem on the, on this point, on this thing, and we'll not derive it. I'll give you the property of it, and we'll use that theorem in solving various problems in this particular session. Chali. So did I miss anything? I have not. Moving on to theorem number 1 from your NCERT, you can cross check, which is the tangent at any point of a circle. Let's draw a circle, sir. So like this, a circle is drawn like this. Okay, so tangent drawn at any point. Let's draw a tangent also, sir. Okay, sir. Let's draw it like this. Let's call this tangent to be x, p, y. X, p, y. Great. Is perpendicular to the radius through the point. How you draw the radius through this point, bacha? Please check. So if I talk about this point P, through this point how can you draw the radius? Sir, there will be somewhere center C. Join them now, sir. That's the radius. So the radius through the point P, okay, will be what? Perpendicular to the radius. Means this angle is always what, sir? Always 90 degree. What it means? Angle CPY equals to angle CPX, not PXC. Yeah, CPX. Have a look. CPX is always what? 90 degree. Because, sir, CP is perpendicular with XY. Is that clear, sir? Kya ye clear hai? Right? Let's move on. This is the property, right? Let's move on to questions now. So have a look. MCQ number 1 is coming for you. I hope the figure is visible to you. If not, I'll highlight this values, these numbers again for you. This is given as x, bacha. This is O, sir. The center is O. This is P, sir. This is 25 degrees. Okay? 25 degrees. This is what, sir? T. Clear hai? Now it's clear? Okay, sir. In the given figure, PT is a tangent. Correct, na? One point of contact, T is a tangent. PT is tangent at T is to the circle with center O. If TPO is 25, TPO, okay, this small angle is 25 degrees, great. Then X is equals to what? Arey, we know that, na? Sir, a circle, so a tangent's contact with the radius. What is OX, sir? This is the radius only, na, bacha. OT is the radius, right? So what is this angle going to be, bacha? 90 degree, please check. Perpendicular, sir. Have a look, sir. Angle OTP is 90 degree. How come, sir? Because, sir, OT is a radius. And we know from the theorem number 1 that OT will be perpendicular to the tangent PT, na, sir. Great, bacha. Now in the triangle OTP, please check. Sir, OTP never shares, sir. No problem. We are not sharing. We are just proving something. Please check. Triangle OTP, right? A weird name for a figure, but we are getting it. So triangle OTP, if you check carefully, angle X is actually exterior angle, na, sir? Exterior angle, exterior angle, right, of what? Of the triangle, correct? Of the triangle. I don't have to write the triangle. I've already written the name over here. So this is X is simply what? Exterior angle. What's the value? Sum of interior opposite angles, sir. X opposite interior angle is what? Sir, OTP and OPT. Basically T plus P, sir. I can write this as angle T plus angle P, sir, coming to you as 90 degree plus P is 25 degrees. Getting the value to be 115 degrees. 115 degrees. Have a look. Option number D. Option number D It's a PYQ asked in 2023 paper. Answer is what? 115 degrees. Please have a look. Simple question. Moving on to question number 2. In the given figure, two tangents are drawn from an external point, okay, somewhere over here. This is the point P. Have a look. This is the point A. This is the point B. This is the point O. Great, sir. Have a look. To the circle such that OBA is here na bacha. OBA is how much, sir? 10 degrees, right? 10 degrees. Then the value of BPA is this na bacha. Let's call it to be X, okay, is how much? Okay, great, sir. Acha, we know that, but for sure this is 10, right? Then how much this will be? Please check how much this will be. 10 only, na? How come, sir? This is radius, correct? Means isosceles triangle, which one? OAB is isosceles or not? Please check. Triangle OAB is isosceles, right? Isosceles triangle. How come, sir? Because OA and OB are equal. OA is equals to OB, है ना? It means angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA will be equal to angle 10 degrees. OBA they have given 10 degree. OAB is same because isosceles triangle. So 10 degrees. Okay, sir. Acceptable, sir. All of you, yes, sir. 10 degrees. Now, if you check at the triangle OAB or AOB, have a look. Triangle AOB, please have a look. Triangle AOB, please have a look. What is angle AOB, bacha? Angle AOB would be simply, sir, 180 degrees minus these two angles, 10 plus 10 or not. Please check. 10 plus 10 or not. How come, sir? Please check. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Now AOB will be what? Total 180 minus 10 plus 10. How much is that? 20. How much I'm getting? 160 degrees. Yes or no? Right? So angle AOB is what? Angle AOB is coming as 160 degree. Now look at the quadrilateral AOBP. Sorry, AOBP. Quadrilateral, which one? Quadrilateral AOBP. Right? This is 180 degree. How much is this angle? This angle is what, sir? 160 degree, sorry. 160 degree, forgive me. And how much is this angle, sir? This full angle is how much? 90 degree. This full angle is how much, sir? 90 degree. How come, sir? PB is a tangent, OB is a radius. Same way, PA is a tangent and O is the radius. So 90. I can write X now. Please check. I'll write this statement first. I'll write here OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Okay, bacha. So please check here now. What we are getting? So angle O plus angle A plus angle B plus what? This one, X. 360. How come, sir? Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral. Angle O is how much? 160 degree. Angle A is how much? 90, sir. This also is 90, sir. Okay. Please check. What I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting 160 plus 90 plus 90 is what? 180 degree. These two are 180 degree. Have a look. This is 160. So what is missing over here? 180 plus 180 is 360, na? But this is 160. It means this has to be what, bacha? This has to be 20 degree, na? Please check now. 180 is this. What I add to this to become 360? This two has to be what again? 180, right? So 180. How will you make this 160 to be 180? By adding 20 means I'm getting this X value as 20 degrees. What is X that I assumed? I assumed X to be BPA. We are looking for BPA. 20 degree is my answer. Option number B is correct. Have a look. Yeah. Simple question. Please have a look. Okay. Moving on. Answer was what? Answer was 20 degrees. How, sir? X is angle BPA. X. So A plus B is 180. Correct. Now A 90, B 90. A plus B is 180. Also O and P has to be 180. How come, sir? Because total sum is what? 360 degrees, sir. So this and this also has to be 180 again. What is this value? 160, sir. It means the X has to be 20 degree. X is BPA. Hence the answer is B. Option number B. Moving on to question number 3. At one end A of a diameter AB of a circle, okay, of a radius 5 centimeter, tangent XAY is drawn. Let's see bachcha. So I have a circle, diameter is given like AB, check here, I'll write it as A, B, great, this is okay. On the one end A, we have circle radius is given, means this part, please check, this part is 5 from here to here, okay, this part is 5. XAY tangent is drawn, so basically like this. So XAY tangent is drawn, okay. Circle the length of the chord CD, okay, this is a chord CD parallel to XY and at a distance of 8 centimeter from A, means from here somewhere 8 you have to take like this, right? This is going to be what? 8 centimeters, okay. This is CD, right? Correct, na? A chord CD, please check, a chord CD parallel to XY, means this and this is parallel, okay, and a distance of what? 8 from the point A, okay. They're asking us the length value, they're asking us this length CD, okay. We have learnt a property in grade 9, if you remember, that if this is perpendicular, right? Perpendicular, na? Correct? Because why sir perpendicular? Because this is perpendicular, sir. Please check. We know that what? If I take this point to be O, we know that sir OA is perpendicular to XAY, hai na? And we know that also XAY is parallel to CD. Correct? It means what? OA or AB is simply perpendicular to what? CD also. Correct, na? This is 90 and this is also 90, right? Co-interior angles, or if the line is parallel means the angle will be same, okay. So please check. So what I'm getting is this angle 90 degree. So please check here. I'm taking this to be OM. So how much is this length, bacha? So I'll draw this triangle over here. Please check. I'll draw this triangle over here. This is O, this is M, and this is C. Please check. How much is this? This is going to be 3 value. How come, sir? Radius is 5. Total distance is 8 from the point A. From A to the radius, from A to the center, the distance is 5 because radius is 5. What's the total distance between the two parallel lines? 8. It means how much is this going to be? 3, sir. So 3 centimeters. What is OC, sir? OC is again the radius only, no? OC, center to the circumference, radius only. So again 5, sir. Apply and find the length CM. CM would be what, bacha? Pythagoras theorem I can apply. So 5 square, the hypotenuse square minus side square. Please check. So 25 minus 9, how much is that, bacha? Root 16. Please check. How much is that? 4. How much is it? 4, sir. It means CM is 4. CM is 4. We also know that the perpendicular to any chord from the center is always what? Divide the center into two equal halves, means CM equals to CD. CM equals to CD. So I can write what? No, not CD, MD or DM. Not CD, DM. So we can write from here that CM is basically half of CD. So what is this going to be, bacha? This will give me CD is twice of CM. CD is twice of CM. What I'm getting? CD is 2 times of 4. So CD is simply 8 centimeter or not. 8 centimeter, option number D is correct. A very good question. A very good question. Please have a look. Okay? Because it uses the concept from. What concept is that? A perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. I'll repeat for you. A perpendicular drawn from the center of the chord, center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Clear hai? Chaliye. Perpendicular drawn. OM is perpendicular, sir. How, sir? We just proved it. This is 90. Tangent and the radius. A is the radius, sir. So perpendicular. This is also perpendicular, sir. So OM is a perpendicular drawn to the chord CD bisects the chord. CM equals to CD. Sorry, CM equals to DM. Okay, means CM is half of CD. It means CD is twice of CM. It means 2 times of 4, which is nothing but 8 centimeter. Option number D is correct. Moving on to question number 4. ठीक है? हो जाएगा? Yes, sir. Of course, sir. We can do it, sir. Okay. The figure is not clear, so I'll draw this figure once. This is P. This is X. This is Y. Okay. Please check. This is a circle. It doesn't look like a circle, sir. Okay, I'll not draw the circle. That is already there for you. Have a look. So this is a circle, right? And point O, point Q is here. Okay, and a line like this. Please check. Clear now? Better, right? Not clear but better, sir. Not clear but better, sir. Okay, this is y. Okay, can I make the y neater, x and y neater at least? Okay, okay, let me try. 1 second. This is sir p, this is p sir, and this is y sir. This is y sir. Now better? I hope you can see that clear now. Okay, great. So what I'm getting in the given figure, PQ is a tangent. Is it? Please check. PQ, yes sir. One point of contact. Tangent means this angle will be what, sir? Angle P, or we can write here OQ, perpendicular to what, bacha? Perpendicular to PQ. How come, sir? OQ is a radius, PQ is a tangent. We know this property, we wrote it. OQ perpendicular to PQ. Great. Angle OPQ. OPQ is X. Okay. Okay, I've written it twice, right? Please check. A typing mistake. OPQ is X and POQ is Y. Then X plus Y will be what, sir? Answer is 90 degree, right? Option B. I know all of you got it, but I'll explain you anyway. Please check. So in triangle POQ, what I have? Please check. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle O is 180 degree. How come, sir? Angle sum property. What is angle P, bacha? X. What is angle Q, bacha? Angle Q is 90 degrees, sir. How come, sir? Because perpendicular. Angle Q is 90 degrees, sir. Angle Q is 90 degrees, sir. Over here, sir. Angle Q is 90 degrees, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. What is angle O? Y, sir. Bring 90 over here. So X plus Y equals to 180 minus 90. How much is that? Simply 90 degrees. Simply 90 degrees, na, sir. Okay, 90 degrees. So option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Yes, आगे बढ़े. Okay, now I have a very important announcement for all of you. Since you're watching this video, okay, I have an important announcement for all the 10th graders. If you're wondering what to do after 10th grade, if you have this question, if it came to you yesterday, day before yesterday, or maybe in a discussion with your friends, that what to do after 10th grade, and you're not sure about it, you gave an answer, but you're not sure about it, then we are here for you. Every year we organize this program called as DSET program. This also we are also organizing. So what we do in this, on Sunday, 3-hour session at our offline campuses Diksha. Okay, you have to come here. Okay, and how can you come? You have to enroll through this web page. A link is given in the description. Go ahead, enroll over here. Once you enroll, our team will get in touch with you. On Sunday, make sure that you have booked a slot. Offline campuses of Diksha. Once you go there, you have a program, DSAT program you have to conduct, and you have to take it up. Now what is gonna the benefit of this will be, if you're not sure, you'll get the clarity whether you should go for science with mathematics, science with bio, or commerce or arts, whatever is more suitable for you. You'll get to decide and make a right decision. You know, if you're not making right decision, bacha, it will actually, you know, take away a couple of years from your academic, you know, this whole thing, and it gives you you know, disadvantage in this competition, okay, that you are facing in this world right now. Okay, I know it's unfair, but it is what it is. Okay, what can we do about it? But if you want to make a right decision, this is it. One more thing is that if you're already sure that you want to do, let's say, engineering or biology, like medical or whatever it is, your choices, commerce, then this will help you understand your competency level for those competitive examinations. I mean, where you stand exactly for the preparation of JEE, for KSAT, for NEET, and how can you get better. What exactly you should do? How can you think about it? What is the process? So all of the answer will be you know, given to you once you are available for this session. Okay, how this actually helps, I'll talk about that at the end during the structure, when I talk about structure of the program. But right now let me go to the question number 5, sir. Question number 5, sir. I'm very, you know, sure that once I explain the structure, no, you'll be very, you know, confident that yes, I know how it can help us. But right now go to the question number 5. Assertion, reason. Question number 5. The tangents drawn at the end points of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Correct, sir. Without a doubt, sir, parallel. A circle is there. A diameter is like this. Diameter AB. At the end points of the diameter, draw a tangent, na, sir. Draw a tangent. AB is like this. Let's say call it to be X, Y, and draw a tangent over here, PQ. Okay, at the end points are parallel, correct now? Because check here, if this is the center, let's say C, this will be what, 90 degree, this will be also 90 degree. How much is this? Co-interior angle, sir. It means 90 plus 90, 180 degree co-interior angle, sir. It means the line XBY and the line XBY is parallel to line PAQ. So correct hai. Reason, diameter of a circle is the longest chord. Correct, no? Both of them. This is standard definition. The standard definition of the chord, right? Longest chord. Correct. What is a chord, sir? Chord is the line has two end points on the circumference of the circle, right? And which is the longest one? The diameter. But they are both correct statement, but doesn't explain it. I don't think reason explains the assertion. It does not. Okay. So option number B is more suitable. Please take it. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer for assertion reason number 1. Question number 5. Moving to question number 6. Let's do it now, sir. The perpendicular at the point of contact, okay, to the tangent of a circle will not pass through the center. Are contradiction, sir? Please check, please check, please check. Okay. Yeah. They are saying that perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent. Okay. Means there's a tangent like this. Okay. Let's call it to be PQ. Let's call the point of contact to be, let's say, R. Tangent point of contact is R. They're saying the perpendicular at the point of the contact. Means if you draw the perpendicular like this, 1 second, like this, perpendicular, they're saying that it will not pass to center. Are incorrect, na sir? This will always pass to the center, na sir? Always. Because this has to be a radius. Can a radius be a line that's not passing through the center? No, sir. Of course not. Assertion is incorrect, sir. Reason. Let's check the reason, bacha. Two concentric circles are of radii 3 and 5. Okay. Okay, I'll try to make it as much better I can do. Okay. Radius 3 and 5. This is 3, bacha. And this is 5, sir. Correct, na? 3 and 5. Is it not clear? I can do better for the values that I put in here. Please check. 3 and 5. Center is same. Concentric, right? Concentric. Please check. Concentric means center is same. Radius 3 and 5 centimeter. The length of the chord of the large circle. Okay. Have a look. Excuse me. Length of the chord of the larger circle, which touches what? Touches the smaller circle. I can write like this. If I take this to be, let's say, AB, I'll ask you a few questions. Is AB a chord of the larger circle? Yes, sir. 2 point of contact. Is AB a tangent of the smaller circle? Yes, sir. 1 point of contact. Okay. Great. They're saying length is what? 8 centimeters. Let's cross check. Let us cross check now. So we can just join this one and this one like this. Okay. Let's call this point to be M again. Please check. We know that this is what value? This is going to be, sir, 3, not 3, 5, sir. OB is going to be what, bacha? 5. How come, sir? The radius of the outer circle is what, sir? Is 5. And what is OM, sir? The radius of the smaller circle. How much is that, sir? 3. Please check. OM is 3 centimeters, sir. The radius is small r. And OB, sir, OB is 5 centimeters, sir. The radius capital R. What is going to be BM, sir? We know this is perpendicular. How come, sir? Tangent, right? AB, AMB. AMB is tangent, right? Tangent to smaller circle. Smaller circle. Clear? Right? For that reason, what I'm getting OM is perpendicular to what? BM or AB. Correct, na? So I can apply the Pythagoras theorem now. Please check. What I'm going to get? I'm going to get BM equals to root under 5 square hypotenuse. This is 90 degrees. So I have this hypotenuse. 5 square minus 3 square. Please check. How much I'm getting? 25 minus 9. So I'm getting what, bacha? I'm getting 16. How much is that, sir? 4 unit. This is what, bacha? BM is coming as 4 unit. We just learned right now. That now go back to the larger circle. AB is a chord. OM is a perpendicular. Also, sir, AB is a chord, okay, and OM is perpendicular. It means what? It means BM and AM are equal. It means what? BM will be half of AB or not. How come, sir? The chord perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord for the bigger circle. Yes. So what I'm looking for? I'm looking for the value of AB twice of BM. What is BM, sir? BM is coming as 4. So twice of 4. How much is that, sir? Twice of 4 is 8 centimeters, sir, which is actually the correct statement that they said. 8 centimeters, sir. It means the reason is true. Reason is true. Yes, sir. The length of the cord, they're saying that it is 8 centimeter. Have a look. The length of the cord is coming as 8 centimeter. It means it is the right statement. Reason is right. Assertion is false. Reason is right. Assertion is false. Option D. Please check. A very good question. Sir, why did you do all the steps? Why did you do all the steps? Because, bacha, if this question comes in exam, you should know all the steps. Right now, I've taken in assertion reason. But it's a good question. It can come for 2 marker, 3 marker. What are you going to do then? You should know how to do this question. I think I've done a question like this, right? In MCQ also. Please have a look. Have a look here. Okay. The last question of the day. Let's complete it. Okay. कर लेते हैं. 2 concentric circles of radii A and B. Okay. Similar question, sir. But what happens in this concept? The questions are limited. When you learn the second concept also in the next session, then you'll have a combination of concepts to solve a question. Then we'll have a lot of questions to solve. Right now I've taken, that's why, only 7 problems. 2 concentric circles of radii A and B. चलिए कर लेते हैं भाई. Circle number 1 and circle number 2. A is bigger than B, right? It means what? Or it means that this bigger O A is the length A and B is, sir, somewhere here. This is point B, sir. So this length is B. Correct. Now means what they are saying is capital R is A and small r is B. Small r is B. Doesn't look like R. Some different symbol only I have made. Small r is B. Chaliye. Great. R is A, small r is B. Clear hai? Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the small circle. Same concept. चलिए draw करते हैं. Please check. Same thing. Take to be M, this to be, let's say, C, because I've already taken B over here, right? So this is A, means this is B, sir. This is B, sir. So again, I don't have to teach all the concepts again. I'll just directly write the Pythagoras theorem, because we know that. I'll write directly. We know that OM is perpendicular to AM. How? I just wrote for the previous question. Please go ahead and check it again. So AM perpendicular to AM. Okay. So I can write directly about bacha. AM. I'm applying the Pythagoras theorem, okay? AM is equals to root of OA का square minus M का square. क्या ये clear है? What is OA का square बच्चा? Simply A का square. Simply A square. What is OM square बच्चा? Simply B square. Please check. So what I'm getting, can I solve it again? I cannot, sir. So what I'm getting, AM as bachcha, I'm getting AM as root of A square minus B square. We also know that, I just explained to you. AM is going to be half of AC. AM is half of AC. It means what is AC? AC is, sir, twice of AM. So twice of this value from here. Please check. So what I'm getting AC equals to this value. Twice of A square minus B square. क्या ये clear है? Have a look. What are they asking? Length of the chord. Isn't AC the length of the chord? This is the answer. Length of the chord they're asking, sir, for the larger circle. Isn't AC the length of the chord of the larger circle? In the consideration, have a look. AC is coming as twice of A square minus B square. Twice of A square minus B square. क्या ये clear है? Have this look. Have a look for this. This completes this session, bacha. Now, as I said, I'll talk about structure of the DSET program. So what we do know, in the 3-hour session on Sunday, we take first hour to be a lecture. So we'll teach you something. We'll teach you a concept. So in that concept of 1 hour, we'll teach you 45 minutes. Last 15 minutes for your question answer round. Means you can ask your doubts also. Whatever we taught you for the first 45 minutes, you can ask the doubts in that as well. So 1 hour will be over after that. Second hour will be an aptitude test. So you have to write an aptitude test based upon the lecture that is given to you. Once that is done, we'll evaluate your test, and then you have to sit back with us, with your parents, with our team of counselors and very experienced faculty members. Then what we're gonna do now, will help you understand what is your approach to solve a problem, how you're going ahead, what are the mistakes you're making, how can you get better at that, and after that you'll have a conclusion that okay, I can be this, I should be doing this. So you'll have a lot of questions in your mind, right? So you can list down all the questions, keep it in a page, and then come to the session. I'm very sure that after you are done with the session, and when you are going back home, you'll be satisfied that yes, you got all the answers that you were looking for this for this program that you are having, or what are the queries you had in your mind. You will be satisfied with this once you are done and leaving from the session. Okay, so please make sure that you are enrolled in this. I wish I had a session like this conducted for me, because I remember giving some tests, okay, but they were very costly first of all. Okay, then again these facilities were not there, nothing was there, nothing was available, just a test and some some marks, okay? But right now we are teaching you, we are helping you understand, make a right decision. That's why I made some bad decisions and end up losing a couple of years in my academic preparations and my studies. But I don't want all of you to miss out on that. So if you are available, make sure that you visit our campuses on Sunday for 3 hours. You can give this much of time, right, for your career. One more thing, how can you do that? Link for this web page is given in the description. Go ahead, check this out and enroll yourself. Get in touch with the team. Do not forget, okay? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, bacha. Like our videos if you are actually enjoying it, and if somebody you feel that they need the sessions, please share with them also, okay? Because if your friend can benefit from it, if your colleagues can benefit from it, what's your, there's no loss in that, right? They can also learn some things, so let them also watch the sessions, okay? So with this bacha, on this positive note, I'll try to end the session. Keep working hard, keep smiling, please take care of yourself, and the time is very less with you. So do not, since if you're struggling right now, it means what? You have given time of studies to something else. So now get all those time and give it all to the studies. I know you can do better, right? Of course you can do better, right? So please keep working hard. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care.